Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Elephant Man cries foul play in relation to the viral gun video. The Nalinga DJ, real name O'Neil Bryan, met with police officers today with his lawyer Christopher Townsend in relation to a gun video that has been making the rounds on social media. The entertainer was released this morning after meeting with the police. The dancehall icon maintains that someone is trying to frame him.
As you can see them, I try to frame the thing, but you don't know who God bless, no man curse. You understand? So we say freedom and that's a must and bust off. So you don't know. Big up the Energy God fans them, you know? And we just make the fans them know say everything good, everything is okay, Mr. Thousand, take care of everything, good to go. We not really do them things that we say dancing and we say make the people them full joy themselves. You understand how we're gonna go? You understand? So make them go and frame. I must have picture frame.
Attorney Christopher Townsend, who was adamant that the DJ is innocent, provided details on that meeting.
Yeah, when we arrived at the police station, they were ready for us. They executed a warrant, a search warrant, and then we proceeded to the house for a search. They conducted a thorough search of the premises, and of course they found nothing at all. We then went back to the police station where they conducted their interrogation, and they asked questions of the artists, and we answered to the best of our knowledge. They seem to be satisfied with the answer, and we suspect that this will be the end of the matter.
The controversial video in question shows a female wearing a bathing suit who appears to be drunk, playing with what seems to be a handgun before handing it to a man resembling Elephant Man. Government pays tribute to the Crown Prince of Reggae. Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Babsy-Grange this morning paid tribute to the life and legacy of reggae icon Dennis Brown. The tribute was fitting as it is the Love and Hate singer's 62nd birthday and the launch of Reggae Month.
This morning we're also observing the 62nd birthday of a man who gave so much to reggae music. A man who served Jamaica very well as a cultural ambassador and whose legacies continue to inspire countless people across the world.
She noted that Dennis Brown's iconic voice has served to inspire other artists.
Many of today's reggae singers fashioned their styles on Dennis Brown, like Richie Stephens, Frankie Paul, George Nooks, Luciano, Bushman, one of my favorite, have all studied elements of Dennis Brown's unique style of delivery and vocal mastery in developing their vocal styles. And I want to say to D Burns, you're on the right track. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Oh,
long live the Crown Prince of Reggae, Dennis Brown. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend.